What if I told you that you could have an entire film crew working for you right now for free? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you step by step how to create absolutely stunning, cinematic, documentary style videos using nothing but a handful of incredible and, yeah, completely free AI tools. Pretty dramatic, right? Sounds like it's pulled from some high budget Netflix documentary. But here's the mind blowing part: that script, the voice you're imagining, and all the visuals, they were all generated by AI. And in the next few minutes, we are going to break down exactly how you can do the very same thing. And the best part? This level of quality is now available to absolutely everyone for $0. Seriously, no subscriptions, no hidden fees, nothing. So let's get to it. Let's assemble your personal AI-powered production team right now. Okay, so let's meet your new crew. These are the 4 core tools that are going to make up your free AI toolkit. Each one plays a really specific and crucial role in our little production here. First up, we've got ChatGPT, who's going to act as our brilliant scriptwriter. Then Lovo AI is our professional voice artist. After that, we've got Audacity. This is our audio engineer and kind of our secret weapon for creating a totally unique sound. And finally, Meta AI steps in as our cinematographer, generating those breathtaking visuals. First things first, the script. You have to nail this part, because literally everything that follows depends on this foundation. The quality of your entire video really begins with the quality of your prompt. And look, the difference is just night and day. A vague prompt like "write a script about WW2, you'll get something, sure, but it's going to be generic. But a detailed prompt where you specify the length, the suspenseful tone, the need for strong hooks, and the formatting, well, that gives ChatGPT the direction it needs to produce a script that's basically ready to go. And here's a little pro tip for you. See that phrase, exclude creator guidance? That little instruction is a game changer. It stops the AI from adding its own notes like, it just gives you clean, pure text that you can copy and paste directly, and trust me, it saves you a ton of annoying editing time later on. All right, so our script is locked and ready. Now it's time to give it a voice. For this, we're going to turn to Lovo AI, which has a super generous free plan that, get this, doesn't even require you to log in. The process here is just dead simple. You paste in your text, you browse through the voices to find one that fits the tone you're going for, and then you just generate the audio. Now, if your script is a bit long, no worries. Just break it into smaller chunks and generate them one by one. Easy. But hang on, this brings up a huge question. With literally millions of people using these tools, the popular AI voices are becoming really recognizable. That can get you flagged for reused content on platforms like YouTube. So we need our voice to stand out from the crowd. And this is where our audio engineer, Audacity, comes in to save the day. It's a powerful, totally free audio editor, and it is our secret weapon for taking that standard AI voice and making it distinctly our own. Now here's the key, the filter curve EQ. Don't let the name scare you. By creating a gentle curve just like this one, boosting the bass down low for some richness and lifting the treble up high for clarity, you are subtly changing the audio's frequency. This simple tweak creates a unique audio signature that helps you stand out and, more importantly, helps you avoid those pesky content flags. Okay, we've got our script, we've got our unique voice. Now for the real magic, turning our words into actual cinema. For the best, most consistent look, we're going to use a 2-stage process. So, first, we're actually going to go back to our scriptwriter, ChatGPT. But this time, it's not a writer. This time, it's our storyboard artist. It's going to generate detailed visual prompts for every single scene. Then, we take those prompts over to our cinematographer, Meta AI, to create the final moving clips. This prompt right here is the absolute secret to maintaining a consistent visual style. By telling ChatGPT to keep the style and theme the same for every single prompt, we're making sure all our clips look like they belong in the same film. Same lighting, same dark mood, same cinematic quality throughout. The workflow in Meta AI is just incredibly smooth. You paste in your detailed prompt from ChatGPT, you select that landscape 16:9 aspect ratio for that classic widescreen cinematic look, and it generates a stunning image. Then you just click Animate, and boom, it transforms that static image into a dynamic, almost 3D-inspired video clip that's ready for you to download. So our crew has delivered. We have the script, we have the custom voice, and we have the stunning visuals. Now it's time to head to the editing suite and assemble our masterpiece. I want you to think of your edit in layers, just like you see on this timeline. The foundation, layer 1, is our unique voiceover. On top of that, we add some mood music. Then comes the action, our AI-generated video clips. And finally, we add that top layer of polish with some visual effects to really sell that dark documentary feel. And to make it feel truly professional, don't just stack the parts and call it a day. You've got to trim any of those awkward long pauses in the voiceover to keep the pacing tight. Try to time your video cuts to the beat of the music. It makes a huge difference. Use something called audio keyframes to automatically dip the music volume whenever the narration comes in. And yeah, a little subtle film grain effect can really enhance that cinematic retro vibe. One last, and this is a vital tip, you have to protect your work. Always, always use music from safe, copyright-free sources like the YouTube audio library. This is what ensures you can share and even monetize your awesome creation without running into any legal headaches down the road. And there you have it, the scriptwriter, the voice artist, the audio engineer, and the cinematographer, your entire film crew powered completely by free AI. The barriers to creating professional quality video have literally just crumbled. So the only real question left is, what stories are you going to tell?